What's up, everyone? Welcome to a new episode. First timers, we got myself, Hero.
We got Alvin.
We got Alvin.
Superstars of the show.
The superstars of the show.
Yeah.
And we are in our tech series today. And Alvin, what do you have here on this table?
So on Amazon, I was bad, guys.
Bad.
If you haven't noticed from a lot of our other videos the past few weeks, there's been a lot of
splurging
stuff. Yes. So this was kind of a necessity for the channel, and this is a stream deck, guys. If you don't know, we do live streaming of our gaming on Friday nights, usually late nights. So we usually do Call of Duty Mobile, Knockout City. We've played Cuphead. We've played a lot of different games. Yeah. But the problem that we have is I'm running a laptop off to the side, and I have to look over at the laptop while I'm on the stream, and it doesn't look good to the viewers that I'm over here and not looking at you guys over here. So the idea is, hey, quick glance down, hit a button, and it'll do whatever I want it to do. I even have another streamer called K Gaming. We'll put his channel in the description below. But he has like money flying down during the holidays. He has snow going down. Like I said,
Christmas lights on top.
It's like all professional, guys. I mean, like seriously, really professional. And I was like, dang. And he's like, I do everything off of one computer and one screen. And I was like, dang. And I'm over here with 4 screens. I got Hero on one screen. I got the chats up high. I got my game screen. And then I have the actual YouTube and everything going on that. And that's not even including the laptop. The laptop is pretty much taking my Streamlabs. So I'm using a program called NDI, which is streaming pretty much all my content from my main PC to the laptop, and then the laptop is uploading everything to YouTube, or YouTube and then Facebook, depending on if we were feeling happy about doing it. But YouTube's been much better, so we're glad you guys are watching this. But we got the Stream Deck. This guy is the 15 button version, so it's 5 per row there. I've never used one before, so this is gonna be all brand new to Hero and I, first timers doing something different. I'm not going to show you guys the full setup of how to set it up and go through all that, because there are some really good videos. And like I said, I'm a noob at it, so I maybe might make one, a few months from now when I kind of have it
Once
all.
we get used to it.
Yeah. But what we're going to be doing different with this is we're going to be live streaming us working on cars too, so it's going to be something a little different. There might be times where we can't film and edit, so the idea is, hey, we can live stream what we're doing on a weekend, save it, and then we can edit that footage later if we needed to break stuff down. The idea is we want to be able to run 3 or 4 cameras. We want to have 2 GoPros going that are wirelessly streaming to the laptop, so we can actually be able to go, okay, we're zooming in here, and then say something happens to it, or we need to have the camera in a different position. We can hit the button on the Stream Deck, and this will be on a cart that we're designating to a kind of like a movie cart, so it's gonna house everything that's us filming. I know you guys are here to watch the unboxing. We will unbox this right now, guys. I am very excited. Like I said, never owned one, so let's do it. Woo! All right, guys, so the Elgato Stream Deck, just look at the pictures, just make it look really badass. I am super excited, so I'm gonna just use my trusty flat blade here and make my little cut. I know, guys, you're probably like, where is like some $4,000 knife to do this? I don't have one of those. If you guys can recommend something, let me know in the comments.
A $4,000 knife?
I don't know. Ooh, look at that, right up front. Right up front and center, guys. I didn't realize that. I was getting all excited, but you can kind of see that there. That just looks sick already. Come on. Oh yeah, dang, this thing already feels like quality. Dang, not gonna lie, guys, this feels dope. Does that feel like aluminum to you on the face?
Yeah, this part feels like aluminum. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
That looks so sick. I am so excited, guys. I am so excited. I don't know how I'm going to be doing any of this. Like I said, first time owning one. Stream Deck guide to whatever we're doing. I don't know if that's actually a screen. Is that a screen? Actually, have drag action from the right panel and drop onto the desired key on the left.
That's cool. So these are actually little screens.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thanks. I didn't even know that, guys. I thought I was gonna have to like cut things out.
Yeah, I
and
thought
put
you
it
had
on
to
there.
put little labels or stickers or something.
And look at that. It has the prop. That is awesome. So this is what that was. So that goes right there. Look at that. That is so sick. And if we wanted to go a little lower, oh, look at that. Oh, there are independent legs. That's pretty sick. So you can go full height, like that. And pretty much it just rests right in there. Look at that, guys. That is sick. So, like I said, that unboxing was simple enough. I am very, very excited. I'm going to set this up. I'm gonna try my hardest to do it in the next couple days because I really, with a whole bunch of reallys everywhere, want to be able to use this Friday on our stream. So I'm going to be messing with Streamlabs. I'm going to be messing with the Stream Deck, and I want it working like it needs to work. And then the next thing we'll be doing will be setting it up so we can actually use it outside with the cameras. And like I said, that's going to be a different challenge for Hero and I. But like I said, we'll figure it out. We're working on it. But we'll see how it turns out. So give us a few seconds, guys.
A few seconds for you, a couple of days for us.
Yeah.
All right.
You guys have only been gone a second. It's been a few weeks for us, so I'm sorry about that. But you guys are probably wondering if we are actually loving the Elgato Stream Deck, and hands down, that's a big yes. And I do want to say a big hell yeah. It's truly one of the best tools that I've purchased. I'm gonna call this a tool. This it's tech, but this is a tool right now, guys. How easy it is to set up just blew my mind, and I'll actually show you that right now. I'm not going to show you the install portion of it because again, it installed quickly, but just setting up Streamlabs to the Stream Deck, I'll just kind of show you what I did to add scenes and how easy it was. Now that we're here, guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this scene here. I'm gonna click on this scene and I'm just gonna drag it over, and you're gonna see that it drops it right in here. Now I do have my Stream Deck open, so you do have to have your Stream Deck open here to be able to do this. So right now my Stream Deck is open, and you're gonna have this little option here again that says Streamlabs OBS. And like I said, all I did was click and drag the scene over, so the scene is there. You're gonna see that says preparing footage. That is my very first scene under my untitled collections. So I have a collection there that's called Untitled. I have two right now. It's not one of those things that we stream from this PC. I use a second PC that we stream from, and that uploads everything. So my PC couldn't handle everything. So I had to have a second PC to do it, which kind of like, dang, sucks. But hey, we're here, we're doing it. But again, Untitled, it's there preparing, and we're just gonna call this one Start. That's how simple it is. Now, for whatever reason, the very first time I always had to click out of it, click back on it, because it doesn't accept my typing right away for whatever reason. But you're gonna notice that it says Start, it's right there. I'm gonna go over into the fonts. Right now it's just set up on default, which is fine with me. But you can move the location of where you want it. So like if I want to start in the center, I want to start at the top, the top center, I should say, mid center, and bottom center of the button itself here, guys. It is there. You can change the size of it, obviously. You can make it a big start so you can see it from far, or a little start if you have amazing eyesight and you're young and you're like, I can see that without having to squint. But again, like I said, it's there. 13 points is fine, and that is done. Literally, this button now, guys, is my start button. It will take me right where I need it to go. I can change that icon as well. It doesn't need to be that icon, so once it loads in here, all I have to do is find what I want it to be, and I can be like, boom, okay, this is the start button, guys. It's there, it is done. And now I know you guys are probably just kind of like, it can't be that easy. Again, it is that easy. Literally, I'm gonna do another one. grab scene here again. I'm just gonna grab scene, boom, drop it in. Under the untitled collections again, I am going to go into a scene now, and you're gonna notice that we have different scenes in there. So we're gonna say, hey, I wanna use the parsec scene that we have set up. Now, if you guys don't know what parsec is, go check that video out. It's pretty much allowing people from different computers or phones, as long as they have a controller, they can actually remote into your computer and play whatever game you have with you. So if it's a 2-player game and you want to play with somebody and no one's around, and you have a friend that's 50 miles away and you want them to play with you, just as long as they have a controller hooked up to their phone or PC, they can actually play with you. So we have that scene set up. Me and Hero used to do it. We used to stream it. We used to stream Cuphead during COVID. So pretty much we were able to stream. Hero was still able to play. We were able to talk. It was awesome, super awesome. Again, like I said, amazing program. And again, as I was saying that, guys, the scene is done. Technically, that scene is done. I didn't type in a title. I could say, Alvin and Hero, I guess, say Hero or Hyro, as some people say. For whatever reason, they go Hyro, it's Hero. But yeah, there you go, Alvin, Hero, boom, we're there. It's already done. I can drop it down to the next level, and there you go, Alvin, Hero. It's done. That button is done, guys. If I click on that button on the Stream Deck, it will move me to that scene. If I click on the start scene, that'll move me to that scene. The welcome button in the center will actually open up a URL. This will take me to a web page. So if I was in the middle of stream and I wanted to showcase something, I can hit that button. Say it was my, if it was Hero and I's YouTube channel, boom, click it, boom, there it is. Or I wanted to showcase somebody else's channel, I can be like, K Streaming, boom, and I can actually showcase K Streaming. Stream that easy. All I would have to do is just copy and paste it right in there. I can change that button with whatever button. It's that simple, and people are just like, it can't be that simple. It's that simple. Now, I know a lot of you are probably going, well, there's only 15 buttons. My keyboard can handle more than that. Keep in mind, guys, I can make folders in here by just right-clicking and clicking on create folder. Now I have another 14 usable buttons in here, or I can make other folders in here, have multiple folders within this section. And it's, again, that simple. So once that folder is there, I can title it whatever I want. I can call this one sounds, and I can just start dropping sound files in there. So then while I'm streaming, boop, and play a sound. I can play the boop sound, boop, boop, and there it is. That it would be done. Now I know you guys are probably like, well, I don't want to create my own sounds. Something that Elgato is doing is they're giving you different sounds. They're giving you music. If I click on this little plus with the Elgato Stream Deck here, you're gonna see something on the left-hand side here. It says music and sound effects. I do not have to create any sound bites, nothing. I can just go to Elgato's place and pretty much look for whatever I want, click on it, and drop it right into my Stream Deck sounds folder, and that is it. Again, super simple to set up. You do have different plugins, you do have different icons. Pretty much everything that I've seen so far is free. I have seen other people that are selling them off of different websites. So far, the price for the Stream Deck, I'm just like, nah, I'm not paying any money. It's gonna do exactly what I need it to do right now, the way it sits. If I want it to be different or cool, they even have an editor, so I can go and edit on their web page and make my own icon. So like I said, Elgato is kind of doing their own in-house thing, which is super awesome. If I didn't already have a Yeti microphone, I probably would have bought a Elgato microphone, just because they have them. They have lighting, they have green screens, they have mic arms, camera stands. I was just like, I didn't know Elgato did this. So the quality is truly amazing. It feels great. Buttons feel great. As I was setting it up in the living room on my Surface, my son even dropped it and fell on the floor, and it's still working. So it's actually very, 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 very impressive. And I'm going to say another very because it's very impressive. I am very impressed. So anyway, guys, again, I'm gonna put videos in the description of just different ways people have their Stream Deck set up. Again, like I said, I'm still a noob. I've only had mine for a few weeks now. It's been amazing. We've used it a few times, and I feel like our streams are like 100 times better already. I can literally press a button and it opens up a web page for our royalty-free music, and I'm just like, click, and it's playing, and I'm just like, oh, that was simple. So again, guys, like I said, amazing product, amazing tool. It's not just a tech, not just something that's gonna be flashy on your desk. This is a tool that's gonna help you do better streams. And like I said, I've seen people do it off their keyboards. I've seen people cut the stickers and put them on their keyboard. You can do that, absolutely. Hands down, do it. If you really feel like that's gonna work for you, fine. For me, trying to do it, setting it up, and things working and things not working, and me spending, an hour and a half setting it all up, I was kind of like, there has to be a better way. And then after getting the Stream Deck and seeing the colors and everything just was working so seamless, I was impressed. Like I said, guys, there are people that do this. Case Streaming, they do it without a Stream Deck, and the streams turn out amazing. For me, it's just something that having the right tools in my mind is just like, okay, I have the right tools, boom, boom. I don't want to say I'm a pro, but I feel like I'm a pro. But anyway, guys, we will be, like I said, trying to live stream us, Hero and I working on cars. That will be coming up in future videos. We will have other tech videos coming out, as well as the infamous burning of the 7 Wolves chair that I guys promised you. So that will be coming shortly as well. And yeah, anyway, guys, we will catch you guys later. Again, smash that like. I know I went on a tangent. Smash that like. Definitely helps us out. And we'll see you guys next time. Peace. Laters.